Okitegedde. Kakati obedda tukyalinze Talent Africa Group CEO amazina atuukira ddala Ali Alibai y'omu ku bantu abamekinze sure concert eno etegekebwa ku mutendeera oba omutindo ogw'ensi yonna. So that is Talent Africa Group, the event management company managing this event. Allow us to introduce and invite Mr. Ali Alibai to come and take his seat next to Fefe Bussy right here. Let's blow. Yes. FBM baby. Chine chigoma cha dance so yes. Nenda chikuba nonga dance. Ali come dancing, Ali come dancing. Okay. Tugende kati kuba premium sponsors Fefe abalala. Brand manager Bond 7 naye atuuse. So ladies and gentlemen, from UBL, allow me to introduce and invite. Is that Roy? Yeah, that's Roy. Roy, you have to dance, says the myth, and now you're right here. From UBL, Bond 7. Maximum to the world. FBM. I said, okay. I still have MTN Momo. If the brand representative is here, you let me know. But for now, I think let's hear from Roy first. Roy? No, Bond 7, Roy? Yes. Momo, so buy that ticket right now. Because on the D-Day, Jakubanga price you say so to jigule kati ticket, ngechari could discount. 16th of May, see next week. Weekend or nyini jetoge. Yes, Roy.
Good. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys? Mulimutia. You're jamming to respond. Good evening once again. I come all the way from Bond 7 and super excited to be here with my brother, Mr. Fefe Bussy. We are very excited about this concert because Bond 7 and Fefe Bussy speak the same language. We are about Luga flow, we are about freestyle, we are about rap. In fact, we have our theme called Our Bond, Our Drink, Our Flow, and all that is what Fefe represents. We're committed to creating lasting relationships, lasting bonds with such meaningful experiences through concerts like this. And so today is really exciting. We know on that day you're going to come, and that's this Saturday, enjoy amazing Bond 7 at unbeatable prices responsibly. Please remember to be responsible. And we know that since you all are lovers of Luga Flow, you will definitely get your tickets on time and come and be in this experience with us as we party the day away and enjoy the concert. So see you all on Saturday, where we will have a Bond o'clock at 7 p.m. We'll have amazing fun with you with giveaways and amazing things. So get ready for that this Saturday at these grounds. See you then, and looking forward. And Fefe, thank you for having us.
All right. Allow us pass the mic.
Good afternoon, everyone, members of the media, everyone who's here. On behalf of Talent Africa Group, we are super excited to be the official production partners of the upcoming concert. At TAG, we've always believed in, been strong supporters of hip-hop, urban culture, and the growth of music and talent. We believe in creating platforms and experiences that elevate the culture and give artists the production value and the stage they deserve. From this partnership, it's about delivering a world-class concert experience from the stage to the lighting to the screens and the overall fan experience. We're excited to work alongside Fefe and his team to create something truly memorable. I remember we started this journey like 3 months ago, and the first meeting I was like, yep, I'm in. No matter what's going on, I'm in. If it's about hip-hop, it's about Fefe, I'm in. So I'm happy about this, and we want to thank all the sponsors, the media partners, the fans for continuing to support Ugandan music and Fefe Bussy and culture in general. Let's get ready for an incredible night. Get your tickets now on MTN Momo. There's some discounts there. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ali, for, believing in hip-hop, believing in... See, she has a rap. Hey, by the way, yakubako freestyle. Mutukira. Nekabaka saha. asobola gituddiramu. Asobola gituddiramu. DJ kasukayo.
Nenga bino kusanyuka TV ne NBS Music olukata kono Afro
Introducing another female rapper, Spice Diana.
Yes, ma'am. Soko yongereza microphone yao. Sing. Yama. Ngabuli joko mewondera sigenda nja kubeera wapaka luberera Dr. Spice era sigenda abo abane paka kobo bwe bagenda yenze namukwa omubimbaka chimanyi mundota ne mukukomoka yenze namukwa omubimbaka chimanyi mundota ne musi zetoteka mubaliza chikuba dadi nasomesebwa kunyumisa chibali kubisa sima mudo star girl yeah, man. Thank you so much.
I'm looking for a collaboration between Spice, The Myth,
Navio, right?
Sentinel said.
Someone said, R&B nabichi. Twasoka mu hip hop ne bigana.
Hey.
So ekasubya onankulabye. Twaberawo nga tukubaze rap. Era zinyumira when I was watching these guys do it, I was so happy. Nebyagana nengamba kangende ne walale wangungu because hip hop is not easy actually. So njagala obebaza mwenna okusalako ku Fefe Bussy. We are here because man, this guy has been supportive. We have one of the biggest songs right now, Zarina. So kubanga yatulowozako na take together tukole such a project. Mama kubireke ngale zamani. There was a time we had All Stars nga zichali, you know, naye yachikomezao, you know. That's beautiful, man. Kakati sijja kogera bingi because the day is not mine. Fefe Bussy, it is your day. Nguze tiketi za mitwala 5 mu 4. Tiketi za mitwala 5 era manager tiketi zimpe kubanga already sente university kako ku simu. Banange mwebale supporting Fefe Bussy. Onako lw'omukaaga tusooka wano nga tunagenda mirimu mirala. Era buli ali eyo tegeza mono nti olunaku lwaki lw'omukaaga teri kulanga kulala. Kakati sente badde ensonga badde ya sente muzeyi tata Abitex sabayo ka sente nange sabayo ka sente tata ndudde kwata ku dola
nali kuwadde ne wagoba mukwano gwange oje sigenda kuwadde kiri kente
na wangaze sikulwa mukwano go wangaze ekisooka nkubanja omusajja ono mubanja
ono namukwa
ate muwulidde wano ng'ayisaamu mbusimanya indiscipline ne ngamba abite tontankuula kubanga ffe ng'abayimbi tukola kufuna kasente nange mbeemu ne ku ddoola nga ye ate nga bo bazeeyi baffe abatubeereddewo tukumaakuma mu ndongo batusasulenga kuba tuba tukoze man oseka era nze njasigala ku nnono omuntu bw'akola omusasula. Talent Africa, thank you so much for, you know, giving us the opportunity okola with different brands, you know, and being really organized. Omwami ono nkoze naye emirimu egy'enjawulo akasente ne wekabaka invoice ne kamalayo week kamala ne kajja muzeeyi taata njagala kasente sikwerabidde ekyakuliko. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity okwaniriza the biggest, the smallest, right now the fattest, lyrically. Obanjogere kyekirala.
Bujango mukwateko.
Kamukwateko. Fefe Bussy. Yo. Fefe ngenda kukuba kati rap battles nawe.
Tutandike.
Fefe Bussy watugamba oli smallest rapper. Tetumanyi kyatuukawo kati oli best rapper. Simanyi kyatuukawo kati oli biggest rapper. Wali small rapper emyaka ng'etaano emabega. Tugenda okulaba ofunye aking mama wali wonna. Oba king mama yaleeta kiweiti kineeno mwana. Olabika bulungi ekikombo okibye wali wonna. Ekisaati nkyagadde waliwo ekiri. biggest rapper we tugera makomera mukaga tugenda bera wano Lugogo cricket oval mwena abagala hip hop musaleko yeah afefe Bussy wo akuwera wo bosaba kuwera wo antinga komera mukaga akuwera wo rap zonna agenda ziba wali wonna nange Spice Diana bino musaleko wali wonna kube rap wano kube rap wali omanyi kube rap wano mpamwa
yo ono kazanti kati tetudda mabega jukira ye yava kodi manager Lubega
tokuyenyo
yo anti jukira mwana nakatandika bagamba mbono ye mukazi wa fik makanika ebyo nsaga kati Spice kape kuhaga mwana tuli wali Lugogo cricket oval tugenda kuba muziki sikusoma novo wama webali mwana Spice Diana ono kyemwagala konze tetulina nankayana ate ne mukazi wange gwenyina mufana noliye wawaka sigamba exowe Thank you so much, Spice Diana. Thank you so much. Pull up. Hello. Yeah, man. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. Balamusiza basabu neba nyabo. Ladies and gentlemen, bamuyise Fefe Bussy wo boyagala kuwera wo. Mwana. Ndi musanyufu nnyo balabako mwana nachi laba Preese Confrence yange mwana kanoko tukajuza ka Preese Confrence kati tubulayo kiri ekinene sicho yeah man, first of all kantandike kwebaza ku mikwano gyange ginsazeeko joje nyini yamana abayimbi bangi ate baba n'ebyokukola ate buli omu aba ne schedule kati buli omu akufisizayo akadde. You don't have to take it for granted. Amazima baba balina bye beefiiriza ne bateekamu obudde bwabwe ne bagamba tugenda kukubeererawo. Big up Navio, big up The Myth. Man, those guys became my family. Mwewuunye engeri aho baluzungu nnyo ate nze ndi banachula nnyo naye twafuuka family man. They are so good, they are so supportive. I owe you so many times man and I really appreciate. Sentinel said oyo guy mwana kasoke mwogereko mu ngeri eno abadde nnyo mu show yange eno yennyini nga mpa ideas how we should promote, how should everyone bring on the adverts and everything. Naye guess what, ku lunaku lwe yayankolera akalango bambi abali emabega mbadde nsaba mumpe ku matu mbadde mmanyi muli wano ku lwange. Thank you so much. Sentinel said oyo yali ali mu kunkolera kalango naye nga ate balina omulongoosa mu ddwaliro. Tebereza gayo oyo nasooka n'agenda n'akola akalango n'agamba mwana nze nkakoze naye nyingidde theatre nsabira. We thank God that he's okay and I thank you for that love man. Thank you so much. Biboyo oweyo mwana ndi wa mukisa okubanga nkolaganako ne bana abasajja baluddeko mu industry bamanye ebintu bingi naye otuukako nga ali welcoming buli wenkusanga Biboyo. I remember you on my last show at Jahazi pia nga obasetinga up ng'oli mukumpaamuuko ngamba Fefe toti akola bwoti kino kigenda kuba kirungi. Thank you for loving me man. Thank you for believing in me. Akoko finger. Thank you for the energy etazikira. Omusajja agenda alabika ne muntana ajja kuba kano. You're such a vibe, man. Thank you so much, and thank you for turning up every time, man. I count on you, and every time I call you. Yo, my ghetto youth, ono youth muyino mulabira ddala nachi. Ali talented nnyo. Oh, my queen, Spice Diana. Ono ye kati mugambe kinze nsose buuza Spice Diana lwaki teyeesimbawo. Abeererawo buli omu. Omusanga azunga ayamba bano. Kati ne muba hip hop wuyo ali mu kuba marapu. Mukazi gwe mwana. You have a big heart. God bless you more. And I know he's blessing you and blessing you. I love you, my sister. Thank you so much. Banange nyina nkubye surprise nange ono ye mumumpeere ku bugalo muzeyi Abitex mumumpeere ku bugalo. Omukulu neyanziza nnyo kyabalimbyemu relationship yaffe naffe tebadde bwetyo lwe yasooka okummalayo nanyiiga. Omanyi abeera mu show nga yeebisa akakofiira kasita sente zibulambwa ajjako bujja nkofiira.
mubeera munoonya nkofiira nga temumulaba naye I thank him mbu tetufallingangako out ne bwe namukubira nga ndi munyiivu omulundi ogwasooka yagamba Fefe naawe sente bintu by'essente obimanyi ngenda kuwa sente ate ye kyakola bwe mba mubanja kati ankubira nga mbuukinga shendala ezo zentwala ezo zambuukinga zentwala kati nsigala mmanja naye mukama mulungi mbu twasobola okukwatagana neyanziza Bitex okunzikiririzaamu nange nzaani gw'okyalidde ssebo ku Preese Confrence ye webale weesa mukolo gwange ekitiibwa webalire nnyo ddala munzikirize era nzire ku the big man of the moment Mr. Ali Alibai. It's not about like Sagala Chitekapuya. I don't want to put him like there personally. I want to talk about the whole team, Talent Africa tag. Man, those guys are so professional. Those guys are so good at keeping time. Chechisoka. Omanya bana Uganda tuino obuzibu bw'okuuma obudde. Naye bano abasajja si bana Uganda ndowooza kye mba ngamba. Man, I love working with you. It's been a pleasure. I went to this man, like he said, 3 months back. Yeah, and I had a dream of doing a hip-hop show. We sat with him. He was like, you're doing a hip-hop show, what's the theme? I told him hip-hop Kuntiko. He was like, where is the venue? I was like, Lugogo Cricket Oval, what's the date? I told him 16th. He was like, what's the payment? I was like, I'm not reaching those higher ends guys, but I'm looking for that 20K, my people, ordinary, 20K, 50K what? He was like, man, I'm on. Immediately, and he's been there for me. Thank you so much, Ali. Thank you, Talent Africa. And we are still doing more. Expect more and more and more. Yeah. Katono manjuddenga Ali atera sponsor wanga atera yakirimu. So that's tag for you. Kati sinza kubuuka Ali atene stadda kuba sponsor wange oba mukama wangu omulala Mr. Roy. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy. First of all, thank you for passing by and coming. Mr. Roy represents Bond 7. Bond 7, inga bwe yabagambye twina bond in a Bond 7. We have a big bond and it starts with hip-hop music. Kafulo kabaamu oba okawulira era tugenda kuba tufulowinga ku 16 nga tuyiibwa buyiyi kuba Bond 7 is what is on board. Keko ka Bond muganda wake kankabalage kekano ka Bond 7 ba Bond ani yalabye ku movie ya Bond 7 kati bano ba Bond musanvu bobo kuti. Nenga, thank you so much, Roy. Thank you for believing in me as your brand. I respect it so much. Who am I to work with you and who am I for you to believe in me? I know I'm talented, but I also love to work with big brands. So thank you for being part of my show. Thank you, Bond 7. Yeah, it's here to stay, and we are killing it with Bond 7 on the 16th. That's tomorrow, but one. Bulitebere genda kubake chupa ya Bond 7. Kansoke mpulire mwana akaruruka main sponsor wange Bond 7. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy. Akurukuta. Njuku, yeah man. Mama iseda agent akulukuta. Omanyi mu hip hop bagezaako twawula mu buli ngeri. Ne rap ze tukuba zitwawula cause muba muyina okwedisinga muba muyina okwekuba mu line. Naye I thank God oba I thank agent mbu buli bwe twesanga ne bwe tuba twekubya akayimba ne bwe twekuba who is who. Nankuba nanvuma nange nemba kuba buli bwe twesanga ye tuba mu vibe. Ebya hip hop oba ebya rap bisooka ne biddawa ne bidde.
For you, man, you have a big man in you in a small body. Yeah man. Thank you all for coming. Tubalinze Lugogo tomorrow but one. Stay blessed.
Yo, that's Bass Boy, producer of the year, and he's still going producer of the years. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, Kuba Hiti, Feneba Spice, Diana, and Zalina, and we are working on so many other projects. Thank you so much, bro. King Bella, what's up? Yo, that's my friend King Bella. Thank you for supporting. Yeah, man, I love you. Skuplama banagete muvivunula bulala mpulide yabeska. Love is normal. Agape love. Skuplama, thank you for passing by. Oyo yembera na ye waka musajja mulungi tuba tukwatagana buli kaseera katika mpulira akaluluka championi wange omupya kuba tomanyi ono yamanja ona manja temumanyi kye yankoledde kampulira akaluluka baby Zoe boy. baby Zoe, baby Zoe. So go baby Zoe, just.
Kuromukaga runova boy, kureketi ovo Lugogo ya kuuma boy. Sirulo dova mudoi doi, afefe Bussi waba yise Lugogo wa boy. Show, kuromukaga runova boy, kureketi ovo Lugogo ya kuuma boy. Sirulo dova mudoi doi, afefe Bussi waba yise Lugogo wa boy. Bino bya ddala mani si bya kusaga, Fefe Bussi wachikuba tamanyo kubaga. Jukira n'olunaku lwa mukaaga, gwe makinga kalenda y'okolo nina okukanda. Lisula mu ngato si mu buliri, mami nkolo nange nja kusulako mukikiri. Dadi tomugambo bakale tugende babiri, byayi byetaana n'ekyebiri ordinary.
Zaliye Lugogo nzalina Pulo. Abakulu baby Zoe, baby Zoe, baby Zoe, baby Zoe, baby Zoe, baby Zoe. Yeah, this bali wabakiririza mu talent ya baby Zoe mwana. Yo, big up Clincha, big up family ya baby Zoe, mwebale mutendeka, mwebale mukiririza amate, mwebale era muwumba bulungi. She's so disciplined. Baby Zoe manje ekirabo kyo sicho? Checho? Change naye twakyegamba yankubira akalango ne mugamba oyagala nkuwe eki. Nagamba nyine ekirabo kyange kansoke nzire ewaka nkirowoozeeko. Nja kigamba era yakingamba ne daddy we nja kimuwa inshallah tukimuweere Lugogo ndowooza Clincha. Kale Zoe ogira oddayo ko wali otuule sikyo? Agenda bakuwamu. Yeah, agenda bongera abakubemu, but that's baby Zoe for you. Kansubire sina artist munange gwe nerabiddeyo. Topic kasente. Oyo kasente oyo mwana. Tuyita mu bingi ne kasente wange. Kasente webale kunzikiririzaamu webale kuba kyali wange. Tetwawukanangako tetunyigangako. Yeah man, we are flowing and God is blessing us. Thank you my bro. Big up Maliswene wange. Big up team FBM. Yeah man, katsinza kwedabira ate ba sponsor bange. Ababede. Pepsi, thank you so much for believing in me. I've worked with Pepsi for all my shows that I've done. I've only done 2 shows, but they've always come through. They've always come through to support. Atenga nabote batekawo bureaucracy nyingi, mbugendo sokola bono, gendo sakola bono, labono mbuwaitewo omwezi. No. So I'm part of the Pepsi family and it's part of my family. Thank you Pepsi for always coming through for me. Let me also take this chance to appreciate my other sponsors. That is Black my family. Yeah man. Abatamanyi Black and those yeah. Let me show them from this. This is Black and those mu Uganda benakalaba abakola bino atenga bidirigit. Bakola zi headphones, bakola zi speakers, kwegamba oli mubuuka eyo mbuweetage omuziki gw'okuvugirako bikyerere bali authentic nnyo balina ebintu ebyakabi nnyo era nange byenkozesaako sikubye bukubi kalango naye bakyali abo banzikiririzaamu. I've been with them nga nabo tebannakula nnyo ate nga nange sinnakula nnyo. So thank you Black my family for believing in me and thank you for all the support and thank you for the good quality things that you have. Yeah man, hope Ugandans support you and keep on supporting you. Thank you Black my family. I have my new family. Jenjagala okubanjulira nabo bambeereddewo bambi ate nga bagenda bikola nnyo. Sandra, can you just say hi or how you wave? That's Sandra for you. Yababuuzizzaako dda. She's from Flame Condoms. Those condoms. Spice abadde angambye abadde amanyi bu chocolate. I'm joking. But these are the condoms they have. I think they have the best condoms. Yeah, they have the best condoms. Sina budde wa kubannyonnyola byonna naye Sandra akimanyi nzimanyi condoms zaabwe era ngenda kuba nzibannyonnyola one day nga zonna nzibayitiramu. They have the best pieces on the market. Yeah, trust me. Entunda obupiira munnange. Thank you Flame Kondo. Wanji ozitute Flame ogenze sigwa ina energy. Yeah, thank you Coco and thank you my Flame family. Yeah. Pepsi eli wamu ne Aquafina ayagala ku kazi konna the refreshment osobola okunywa ku Aquafina naye waali babikozeeko ebya refreshment ate ng'era sisobola kwerabira basponsor bange aba Moviti. Yeah man, big up Moviti. Movit, thank you for the support, thank you for believing in Ugandan talents, and thank you for your services to everyone. Bakulaga bayinawo eddagala ly'amannyo, bayina ebizigo, bayina ebintu bingi nnyo, and they are all good things, man. Thank you Moviti, thank you for believing in me, and we are rolling together. So mbuzizzaako ndowooza ku buli omu bannange. Checho Yaman ate era sobola kwerabira waliwo muganda wange bamuyita Payodati ali ku kikosi FBM oba waliwo n'abawubireko Payodati Yaman muyimbi munnange ali mu FBM era mujja kuba mumulaba nnyo. That is Payodati for you. Omanyi yenyumisa namubuziza omukolo gugwo wenyumisa. Yeah, this is Payo for you. You can just say hi.
Hello, thank you everybody for being here. Thank you for supporting FBM. Thank you for loving Fefe Bussy. I go by names of Payodat Official. Straight out from FBM Music. Watch out.
Yo, thank you so much. Then sisobola kwerabirira ba sponsor mwana na bugeto Spice amanyi yeri nankula byeri wansi naye otuuka n'okugoba ku kirooto kyo n'otuuka nga zino brand zonna zikukkiririzaamu ekitiibwa oba okiddiza Katonda era naawe ne weeyongera kola. So I want to send a big shout out to my other big sponsor, that is UTB, Uganda Tourism Board. Yeah man, it's on board. Omumanyi Fefe Bussy aina na Uganda Tourism Board, and I want to remind you that after here they have something going on that is called Powate. It's a free it's a free event, and it will be going on in Munyonyo, and all Ugandans are welcome. You need to be part of this for Ugandan exploring. It's an initiative for the Ugandan Tourism Board. So thank you UTB, thank you so much for believing in these talents and for pushing for the exploring of Uganda. Bamuyise Fefe Bussy wo ebirala Douglas aba media bange ba media partner bange omanya abo bafuuka nnyo ba munda kati but thank you so much Next Media, NBS, Yaman Sanyuka, plus the Yuga Tunes for coming on board. Thank you Capital FM, thank you Kiss. Yeah, thank you for loving me, playing my music and coming on board for also this show. Yeah, it's happening 16th May. Temuyinza kulaba ba sponsor bano bonna ne mulowooza mbu ekintu kya kusaaga. Thank you Kagwirawo. Yeah man, Kagwirawo has also moved with me, with all their sister companies, and we are also still moving. Safe Border, the company of Imanya abatutambuza waliwo nabo batambula nange buli concert yange. Big up Calvin for the love. Oyankubirirawo kasitala ba poster yange nangamba we are on board. Thank you Safe Border, because we are safe with you and we are riding with you. Bamuyise Fefe Bussy wo. I love you so much. Kansooke nebaze ku mwana kuba blogger bano abansazeeko. Sijja kulimba bantiisizza waliwo yankubidde nangamba ba blogger tebagenda kujja, ba mawulire tebagenda kujja. Mwebale kunsalako mwana mama mwebale kumbeererawo ate temunkyawanga sina kye nabakola ate sina kye njagala bakola bw'obaayo n'obuzibu nange noonya management yange nze saagala kuba na buzibu na muntu yenna. Man, I hope we flow with love. I hope this experience is full of love. There is no hate. Nsaba mukikole ne vibe. Nsaba bambi tweyagalize nga bannayuganda bannaffe ate tweyongereyo. Man, tujja kukola n'ebirala ebinene ebisukka ku bino. But before I go off stage, kuba sina byakwogera bingi, baŋŋaanye n'okwogera ennyo ekirowoozi kyange bunyinza okitaataaganya naye kansooke mbaweeyo ku paketi. Cookie promotion.
Cookie soko mumpeere njagala yeekuumire ddala.
Cookie ya ino soko ndozaako ndowooza. Sky Soldier. Oba bomba. Naye nga bambi mutwaleeko ng'obujulizi. Kantandiki, ono mumanyi. Sebe no talent ogiyina nkwesiga. Sanchez siyinza butakuwa. Tokazira Sanchez. Yo.
Fefe.
Yes, Doug. Yes.
Somebody requested that they have a gift they want to give to you.
Oh.
So ebirabo muna isola be postponing. So allow me invite the person with the gift. Kirabo cha Fefe Bussy. Tuchimuwe mu butongole nga tanaba na kuvaawo wano wenyini. Right there.
Yo, Miduse Fefe Buza Shabadu, what I'm gonna do when what I come on, you better big up.
Wow, thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you so much, dear. Bakuyitani mukwano.
Angel Kimberly Etsy.
Anje?
Angel Kimberly Etsy.
Kwe yakikoze kino?
Yes.
Ayagala omukolerayo akufuna atya?
You just order.
How do people order? Because me, I love this, and I believe so, also some people love this. Nange chenyinzo mukolerako, akuwa yo platform yaji sharing, naye bamuwagireko bambi. Sicho?
Yes, TikTok onkoisa Angel Kimberly Etsy. Angel Kimberly Etsy.
Angel Kimberly Etsy.
Thank you, Angel.
Thank you.
Banagi.
Whoa.
Banagi. Oh yo, the king of hip hop.
Yes, take it.
Bussi. Cutters of Angel Kimberly. Thank you so much, dear. I really appreciate this. Wow. Hey. Wanju? Chino chikule. Chamek. Chino chikule. Chikule. Chameka chino Kimberly.
So chibacha 200.
Chambeka?
200.
200. Manager no mompele 200.
The bill is cleared.
The bill is clear.
The bill is cleared. Angel Vimalanga.
Thank you so much, Angel. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you again. Yeah, bachali bange mwananze bampise Fefe Bussy wo boyagala nkuwerawo. I'm celebrating my 10 years in this thing. I made my first hit nze jempita hit yange na bajita yes nonze nganze jempita hit rena soko kwera baku TV nga nera bakonnyo nali nkoza akayimba bakaita yes no, and it was 2016. I've been with God's grace. Munekati mukama achampaniridde mbulaba ndi mu myaka 10 nange Fefe Bussy wo wendi yamani era ndi wa mukisa nango tegekayo ekivulu ku Lugogo Cricket Oval. Era nga nsaba bachali bange mwena abali ewaka mwena abaliwa mujje mumpagireko ku Lwomukaaga just okuyingira emitwalo 2 ate nga okufuluma bwerere VIP mitwalo 5 emeza y'abantu 8 just miliyoni 3 yaman era nga mbajjukize mbwa ayagala ticket nga bamusaliddeko ziri ku MTN Momo big up. Thank you for coming through. Thank you MTN Momo for always coming through. Thank you for the discounted tickets, yeah man. So that means you can get the 20k ticket, you can get it at 15,000. Then the 50k ticket, you can get it at 30,000. Let me also take this time to thank my team. Bachali banga banzikiririza mu bentambula nabo FBM chechikosi yamani mwena jemuli bachali bange mwabasinga big job, big up yaman, big up Dano, big up DJ Ranksy atengera nebazane chali wange pato big up on yourself yaman for everything that you're doing. Era nyina bestayinza kwerabira abatandika nange no vision babaita LMS man, now we muri big up on yourself LMS. That's my family also. I go by the names of Fefe Bussy. Edanga mbasaba bachali bange mumpagireko ku Lwomukaaga. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Fefe Bussy.
Douglas Rwanga kampisizeewo ddala kano.
Yes.
Centralian Ushers we bagenda okubaaniriza olunaku olwo.
Yes.
Tugenda kubeerawo nnyo, tugenda kubaaniriza tubatuuze tubasavinge. Anti ye company yokka yaba Usher esinga mu East Africa.
Boss agirako.
Isya ako kajja kakabuza tekako full stop.
Boss kwali. Kale, thank you so much.
Ekirala Douglas Rwanga. Ku Sunday tuli ku Summer Gardens. Mukono.
Yaman.
Fefe Bussy yo era agenda kubeerayo. So boba abataza abali Mukono tuba.
Let me clarify on that. We have only one extra concert eri Mukono nga 17 ku Sunday tuli ku Summer Gardens.